Hey everybody, welcome to another Soundup Now tutorial. My name is Chris Ford, one of the owner and founders of soundupnow.com. We're going to quickly go through just our basic upload and schedule. So once you go to our dashboard here, go ahead and log into your account. When you come here, if you have already recorded your episode, you have it saved to your computer, you're going to go to Upload Episode on your left and enter in the information. So I already have mine copy and pasted, but you would type in the title of your episode that you are uploading. You're going to choose which station you are wanting it to go to. So you may have multiple stations. You may only have one. This becomes kind of a moot point, but as you add stations or add flash briefings to your account, you will see them all here under choose a station. Hit choose audio file. We're going to find my file that I just created that was saved in my computer already. Now you can ignore this part really unless you have designed your flash briefing for text only. If you have a blog or something, you're copying a text for Alexa to read. That's the only time you would use this, and most of you are not going to do that. You're going to actually record your voice or have a voice recording as your episode for your station. And this could go for a podcast, flash briefing, like I said, whichever one. And you've already chosen the audio file. You don't need to record it because you already chose it. This only happens if you realize, oh wait, I didn't record something. I want to go ahead and record it and use our studio, which will be in a different tutorial about how to use the studio. And the text, like I said, you can only do one or the other. So if you already have an audio file or you're using your own voice, you cannot use the text for Alexa to read functionality. You would pick that when you actually create your flash briefing. Again, in another tutorial, you can go look at creating your flash briefing tutorial. Then we're going to pick a date. I'm going to actually schedule this ahead of time for tomorrow. One of the cool features here is you can schedule a bunch of content at once and go ahead and pick. So let's schedule that for tomorrow. External website, you see this is optional, but this actually does show up on next to your flash briefing in the Alexa feed, in the Alexa app, or any visual like Echo Show. They'll be able to see this read more link or external website link. So I like to put something related to the channel. So this is a Myrtle Beach Real Estate Minute. I'm going to put my real estate website there for people who can see it to click. Now, obviously, if you're on an Alexa Dot or you're listening on iTunes or some other platform, this would be mute, but only, that's why it's optional, is if you do want people to have another site that they could go to as far as finding more information about you, your brand, your company, that's where you would include this. I always like to put something in the description because Google is starting to pick up on some of these searches and starting to pick up on audio files that you upload, especially when you have it on other platforms besides just the Alexa Flash Briefing. If you use your station, use the podcast RSS or put it out to any other platforms, episode descriptions become important. But I'm just going to do a short one for now. You can fill in as much as you want on this. And I don't do an episode per image. Remember, your image is your static thumbnail for your flash briefing or for your station image. If you do this, platforms like iTunes will pick up an individual episode image, and then if you want to use that, you can, but I don't do that for any of my flash briefing things, sometimes for podcasts, but not always. All right, then I'm just going to hit save. It's going to process. And now it takes me to the station, my main station, and I can see under view scheduled that my scheduled episode is right there. Once it goes live tomorrow, it will be under view published. Hope this helped a little bit with Soundup Now tutorials. Again, let us know any questions. Soundup Now for all your audio content needs.